Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Martin had parked his Model 3 Performance on the streets of Belgium. When he got back to his car, he noticed he had a rather unusual Sentry Mode event. Martin says he's not sure what this lady was trying to do, but it sure looks like she knows about the Sentry Mode feature and that the Tesla is recording. This is quite a unique way to trigger a Sentry Mode event though. Maybe she's a subscriber of our channel. Ken was on vacation in North Conway, New Hampshire, and had parked his car at the Eastern Slope Inn Resort. The next day, he noticed that he'd captured a Sentry Mode event that occurred at 3:30 in the morning. He almost couldn't believe his eyes when he saw what Sentry Mode had caught. This happened in the master-planned community of Summerlin, located on the west side of Las Vegas, Nevada. It was during late December of 2019 when Dan's Tesla recorded a burglar looking for items left inside the vehicle. Dan and his family were informed by a neighbor that their car was broken into, and they asked if Dan's had been as well. Upon reviewing the videos, they discovered their Tesla was also targeted, but the thief moved on once they realized they were being recorded by Sentry Mode. Teslamonial saw this Sentry Mode event and it made him laugh hard. Clearly, this kid knows about Sentry Mode. Submitter JAJA Rex had parked his Model Y in a parking lot in Texas when this happened. We can see that the driver's partner in crime got out from the passenger seat of the car after the accident. He then waited for her to back out of the parking space so he could discreetly inspect the damage. Then they just left the scene of the accident. JAJA Rex sent the video to the police, who caught up with the other driver and made them pay for the damage. Raymond was at home when a solicitor visited on a hoverboard and very bravely cut between his parked vehicles. His Model 3 caught it all on Sentry Mode. Fortunately, he managed to thread the needle and there was no harm done. Les' Model 3 was parked in his driveway at night when a man walked directly into this gate because he was looking at his cell phone. Maybe he was actually a zombie.
New word from the nation's top scientists on the zombie virus that appeared just 2 weeks ago. They released information saying that the symptoms to watch for are aggression, foaming from the mouth, deterioration of motor skills, and an unbelievable hunger.
CESAR had been gambling in a casino in Monterrey, Mexico when he returned to his Model 3 in the garage. He discovered he had a Sentry Mode event. When he watched the clip, he saw this man taking pictures from every angle of his car. CESAR says he laughed hard at the video and that he's glad that it was a good Sentry Mode event. Maybe the guy won big at the casino and was browsing for his next car purchase. Chris had parked his Model 3 outside a store in Las Vegas, Nevada when Sentry Mode caught this video. This woman loads her groceries into her car beside the Tesla and doesn't bother to return the cart to the corral. Just seconds after she leaves, the wind pushes the cart into the Tesla. Chris says there was no damage, but it was still irritating since the cart corral was just in front of their cars. In this clip, the driver of a Ford Mustang pulls up to a supercharger and takes pictures of all the Teslas charging. Perhaps we're witnessing a future Tesla owner? While Jesse was at work, parked far away from anybody else in the lot, a man parked directly beside his car and urinated on the ground next to his Model Y. His license plate wasn't visible from the Sentry Mode footage, but luckily none of the urine seemed to make contact with the vehicle anyway. This kid headed home from hockey was happy to see Kenny's Model Y and even gave it a pat. Kenny says he wore a smile on his drive home that night. Kids seem to get Teslas and like them even more than some adults. Join the action! Head on over to the Teslacam Hub on Discord, where you can watch videos that are sent in, share videos and stories of your own, discuss them with other patrons, talk about your Teslas, ask questions, or just hang out. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry Mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below.
Oh Lord, won't you buy me a cyber truck? My friends all drive diesel, I must make amends.